Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Eventbrite. So for that you need to search for Eventbrite on Google, and after that you need to open it up and sign up for a new account. And after creating a new account, just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. Then you will have to choose some tags as per your interests. So Eventbrite could show you events as per your interest and choice. And you can also click on this option of browse events in order to see different events and explore them and join them. And if you want to create an event, then you have to click on organize over here and click on create events. And if you want to see the pricing, how much Eventbrite charges you for creating an event and organizing it, you can just simply click on pricing. And if you want to learn how you can organize events, plan events, and if you want to explore different ideas of different events, then you can go to this section of resources over here. And if you want to contact the Eventbrite, then you can just simply click on contact sales, and these are some options which are available to you. And it is quite basic, and this is how you use Eventbrite. And if you want a detailed video on how you can use Eventbrite, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to create a detailed video on Eventbrite. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.